Hi, Sana.
Hi.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
You look lovely.
Thank you.
But there's something wrong with your hair.
Is it?
Yeah, there's
What
some
exactly is it?
flyaways.
Oh, the baby hair.
Yes.
Let me fix it up. I have a solution in my handbag.
Uh-huh.
Here it is.
No need to worry about these baby hair or flyaways anymore because now you can get perfect sleek hair in seconds by using this swipe hair stick. इसका एप्लीकेटर बिल्कुल मस्कारा की तरह है and there's this transparent gel inside which is not sticky at all. इसको आप हर तरह के हेयर स्टाइल में यूज़ कर सकते हैं और ये इतना सेफ है because it's jam packed with all the nourishing ingredients that you can even use it for your kids as well. This ultra sheer formula is extremely weightless and dries like you never applied it. और जैसे कि हेयर स्प्रेज यूजुअली बालों को हार्ड, ऑयली या स्टिकी दिखाते हैं, ये बिल्कुल भी वैसा नहीं है. आप इसको हर तरह के हेयर स्टाइल में यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बी इट सेंटर पार्टिंग, साइड पार्टिंग, बन, ब्रेड, पोनी, etc. Not just that, you can use it on your eyebrows as well. Swipe hair stick is absolutely worth buying and I 100% recommend it. Fix your flyaways with this baby and let your hair do the talking.